how these files fractures. So the NiTi titanium, alloy, files, and all of them can break in three different ways. The first of all is the fatigue. So we need to replace the files when they have some kind of deformation, and we can't use this many times. We have to use this and replace the files before it suffer the fatigue. The second possible cause of fracture is the flexural fracture. So I'll show some videos that will be very easy to understand as the torsional fracture too. So the flexural fracture is associated with the alloy, the flexibility of the file. So when I have a file in rotation in the root canal, in a curved root canal, we have a point of stress and it can break if you don't use the right movement, pushing it in and out of the canal. This is important. And even with a flexible file, we need to use the movement in the proper manner. But with a flexible file, which a more flexible alloy, will avoid this kind of fracture too. The second fracture is associated with immobilization of the tip of the file. So when we have this immobilization, the tip is locked in some place, in somewhere in the root canal. It's still in rotation and will deformate and fracture. So we can see in slow motion. It's easy to understand, to see. So the file starts when it's locked, it starts to deformate until it breaks, and it's a big problem for us. So understanding the manner that the file can fracture, the manufacturers and the researchers uh, started to look for different motion, a different alloy.